Welcome to another video tutorial. This video is especially for those students who are just new to molecular biology and genetics. Many students have approached to me that we are new to molecular plant sciences and they don't know from where to start. Here I have selected a few videos and created a list. You can watch them in the sequence and it will be helpful to get ample understanding to learn new things quickly about genetics. So let me show you how you can access to this playlist. First of all, you can go to YouTube and you can write here my channel name, that is Asif Molecular Biology. So you can see this is at the top, and now you can click on this playlist. So here is that first playlist. You can see newbie exploring molecular biology and genetics. So here I have selected few videos. You can watch them in the sequence, like here is what is DNA, what is gene DNA, CDS and protein, then PCR, then designing primers, then principles of qPCRs, and a beginner's guide to start RNA-seq experiment, and then various interpretation of like transcriptomics, proteomics, metabolomics, etc. So I recommend you to watch all these videos in the sequence. So even if you will be new to your field, so I am sure you will get ample understanding in the future.